Hello, here with me, Ricky Thaper, Joint Secretary of Poultry Federation of India. Ricky, it's the second time we have the opportunity to speak to camera together.
That's right.
Yeah, in several
Atlanta, in
Atlanta,
January in USA,
exactly.
and now in Indonesia.
Yeah, and now in Indonesia. Okay, next time in India.
Sure.
Okay. Yeah, India is a country, very important country, geopolitical. We speak about geopolitical, it's important country.
Right.
It's now it's the most populated country in the world,
Absolutely.
and also you are the second producer of eggs in
And
the world.
fifth producer of
Fifth.
broiler in the world.
Yes. Then this is important for the industry of poultry industry. We have attend a panel.
With Pakistan, Malaysia, Indonesia,
Exactly.
their association president
Exactly.
and chairman.
We have to speak about which are the main issues that happens in the poultry industry in different countries. What about India? Which are the main issues that has India on poultry production?
Yeah. First of all, greetings of the day to all your listeners and viewers. When we talk about India, Indian poultry industry is $30 billion US industry, employing 6 million people directly or indirectly. So this is a sunrise industry which is giving a lot of employment to the younger generation. But at the same time, since we are growing 8 to 10% per annum in poultry industry, so there are some challenges also. The major challenge, we have got two challenges. One is the disease factor and second is nutrition, feed issue. Our poultry industry growth is 8 to 10%, but when we talk about agriculture growth is only 1 to 2%. So in the coming years, we will be facing a problem of supply of soybean meal and corn, which is going to be a big challenge because the 65% of cost of production of egg and chicken is a feed cost. And if the main raw material, soybean meal and corn rate goes high, it will increase the cost of production and the farmer's profit will be decreased, margins will be very less. So we have to look for that, and several poultry associations have made representation to Government of India to allow import of genetically modified soybean meal and corn so that we are competitive in the international market. And second is disease challenge. As our poultry is expanding, today we have got 5.5 billion placement of broilers per annum, and when we talk about layer, it's 350 million layers. And similarly, we have got a backyard poultry which is around 45 million, and breeding stock is around 55 million. So since poultry industry is going, so we have got some disease challenges also. Right now in India, we have only LPI, that's a low pathogenic avian influenza. But in the future, we might face more problems because we have requested the Government of India to allow us either to manufacture or import highly pathogenic avian influenza vaccine. As of now, we are secure with the HPI, but in the coming years, anything happens, so we have to prepare ourselves. But yes, the poultry farmer is very intelligent, is doing good biosecurity, is doing good management and trying to minimize the problem as far as disease is concerned. As we say, P for poultry, P for problem and P for profit. So farmer understand this, so to decrease their problem and to increase their profits, the farmer is doing good management and good security measures.
Okay. In India, do you have the vaccines for influenza permitted?
In India, for low pathogenic avian influenza (LPI), yes, vaccines are there being manufactured. But for HPI, because the government says there is no HPI in India, so still now vaccine has not been allowed in India to manufacture or to import.
Do you think that the vaccination could solve the problem, or the vaccination is only for contain the problem?
Indian poultry industry wants to be on the safe side. So as a precautionary measure, we want the Government of India Animal Husbandry Department should allow the manufacturing of LPI is already there. So HPI vaccine import or manufacturing should be allowed.
The production of broiler and the production of eggs is mainly for internal consumption, or you could export other countries?
Right now, India is exporting table eggs, commercial eggs as well as hatching eggs and so to Middle East countries.
Okay.
But since we have got a big population in India, so whatever broiler is produced is consumed within India only. Secondly, at present, still India is a live market. Our processing share is very less, though more and more processing plants are coming, and the Government of India processing food industries as well as animal husbandry department. They have got an animal husbandry infrastructure development fund through which they are providing so that they can increase their capacity for putting up a processing plant. So in the coming years, 4 to 5 years it might take, then we can export. But right now, chicken export is not there because our processing industry is very less.
You are increasing the production of broiler and layer hens. Which are the prospections for the next year?
You see, we will continue to increase 7 to 8% in layers and in broiler 8 to 10%. We are second largest egg producer in the world, producing 149 billion eggs, and we are fifth largest in broiler production with a 5.5 billion annual placement. But when we talk about per capita consumption, is still very less. For eggs, it's only 107 eggs per person per year, and for broiler chicken meat, it's only 7.4 kg. So still there is a vast scope to increase the per capita consumption. So we are hopeful that in coming years, we will continue to grow 7 to 8% in layer and 8 to 10% in broiler.
You perceived during your presentation that in India is not permitted the OGM for feed.
Yes, as of now, Indian government does not allow import of genetically modified crop, whether it's a soybean or it's a corn. Though our neighboring countries, when we talk about Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, all these countries, they are importing soybean meal and corn GM from either from Brazil, Argentina or USA. So we are very hopeful that in the coming years, as I mentioned earlier, poultry industry will grow 8 to 10%, but agriculture growth is only 1 to 2%. So coming years, when we will be under great pressure and the rates will go high of crop, government has to allow import of genetically modified corn as well as soybean and soybean meal.
Okay, thank you, Ricky.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.